In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Revolut virtual card with Apple Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will have the ability to generate disposable virtual cards that you can use to make purchases online or in-store through the latest version of the Revolut mobile app. You can generate as many cards as you wish. For specific purposes, you can customize them and manage them at any time. All that you have to do on the Revolut mobile app is to switch over to the Cards tab. While this process might be slightly different depending on your version or region of the app, the process is exactly the same. Once you switch over to the Cards tab, find the Get Cards option. Usually it is close to the top with the plus sign. When you tap that option, you can choose between generating a new physical or virtual disposable card. So select a virtual card and you will get plenty of customization options. You can customize the colors of the card and you can label it with a custom name. Like I said previously, you can generate as many as you wish. Once you are done setting up the card, in order to use the Revolut virtual card with Apple Pay, you have to select it from your list of cards. So go back to the Cards tab, it should be ready to use, listed in there. Select the card and you can review the card details, freeze the card, set up custom limits in the settings, etc. But if all you want to do is use the Revolut virtual card with Apple Pay, tap the option at the bottom. You should be able to find Add to Apple Wallet as I've highlighted here. Immediately upon tapping that option, you are going to be redirected to your Apple Wallet where all the details about the virtual card will be transferred over. All that you have to do is verify them, and if everything looks okay, the card is going to get immediately attached to your Apple Wallet. Every time you choose to make a payment with Apple Pay, either online or contactlessly, you can use this card as a payment method. You can remove it at any time and repeat this process with other virtual cards that you generate through Revolut. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Revolut virtual card with Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.